Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 5. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. Now we have the empty workspace open. Make sure that you have the surface toolbar here. And to start off, we'll go to Sketch and click on the sketch and start creating this sketch over here. So to do that, we will create, firstly we have to define the sketch plane. So we'll define the sketch plane as top plane. We'll go to the line tool and we will leave this particular part here and we'll start the sketch from here. So we'll do it from here. Alright, we'll make this horizontal. Tick mark. Now let's do a quick dimensioning here. So that'll be 80. This will be 45. This will be 25. And this will be 25 here. And we have the sketch fully constrained. Exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, extrude surface. In the extrude surface, you can give 10 as the thickness here. Click on tick mark. 10 as the height, I mean. And we can also do this sketch here. So to do that, let's again go for sketch and click on the sketch and do the sketch on the top plane once again. And let's draw a rectangle from this edge all over here, and we can dimension it as 25 and this width will be 10. Tick mark. Now exit the sketch and now you can go for surfaces, extrude surface, and extrude the surface downwards for 10. This is 40, so that'll be 30. Again, click on the tick mark. Now we have that there. So I think the input was not taken, so we'll just give 30 as a manual input here. Okay, now we have that complete, right? Okay, now what we do is we'll select this sketch that was used to create this surface extrude, and then we'll go for fill surface and click on tick mark. Right, now what we do is go for the trim command and select the surface here, and then select the sketch that I've used to create the surface. That is this. No, go here, select this surface. Now what you can do is you can select remove selection, and you can just select this face. Click on tick mark. Now that face have been removed, and now you can go for fill surface and you can fill this surface here. Tick mark. Now that's filled. Right, now we have to do on the other side now, right? So we'll fill this surface also, so we'll just go for fill surface and fill this. Now that's also filled here, right? Now we have to do the sketch over here. So again, go for sketch, click on the sketch and go for top plane, and now you can create you can create a rectangle there, and go for smart dimension and dimension it with a length of 15, and this would be 10. Alright, now we can exit the sketch, and now you can again go for surfaces, extrude surface. You can give the overall height of 25. It's 25 here, and go for tick mark. Alright, now that's done, right? Now we can close either of these two faces. So I'll just go for fill surface. I'll just select the sketch as the input for the fill surface here. This side, and I'll go for fill surface and manually select 4 of these edges so that that's also filled here. There is one thing that's pending here. If you have to create a hollow over here, you can see the surface is full and this surface is also full. So what you can do is just select this face here and go for the sketch and create a rectangle. Above over here, and create for construction and use offset and go for reverse offset of 0.1, tick mark. Now we have a reverse offset there, right? Now go for exit sketch. Now what you can do is you can select the surface. You can select the surface, go for trim surface. You can select the sketch that we have just created. Now here, now we can just manually show where exactly we have to remove, right? So I'll just go for remove and just show the system where exactly we have to remove. So as we are unable to see the inside, what we have to do will be just hide this, extrude 3, you can hide it. Now you can select this surface, go for trim, and here you can specify this and remove. You can remove this, tick mark, and you'll be able to see that that surface has been removed. Now what you can do is you can just select this surface, extrude overall, and you can hide it here, and here you can unhide this, and what you can do is go for trim and select that sketch once again, which will be inside surface trim now, and this time you can select this face as the face to remove, tick mark. Now you can see that that face also have been removed. Now we can bring back the surface that we have just hidden. Just move your mouse on it and it will be displayed. Yeah, so you just have to unhide this, so that will come back here, and then you'll be able to see that surface has been trimmed properly there, and the surface is also trimmed, and it's a full hollow closed surface, which is a final output that we desire. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know that it's a little lengthy process compared to the solid modeling, which is pretty easy to do this kind of models, but this is a practice, and this is how we are learning different operations that's related to surfaces. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's the t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.